Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure that you guys high five that subscribe button and high five that bell notification so you guys don't miss our upcoming and latest videos. Today's fun activity is going to be called Chutes and Ladders, so make sure you guys stay tuned and don't go anywhere. For today's do-it-yourself fun activity, we are going to play a game called Chutes and Ladders. Now, this is very similar to the board game, so make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here's the setup for our Chutes and Ladders. What we're going to do is we're going to get our sock ball and we're going to toss it underhand. And what our goal is to do is to make it inside of the blue baskets. Now, we have level 1, level 2, level 3, and the last one's going to be our orange bucket on top of the gray basket. Now, if we throw it, we do our underhand toss, and it lands inside any red basket, we are actually going to have to start back over at the first level. So if I'm on level 1 and I make it in the red, I got to start back at the beginning, no biggie. But if I'm at level 3 and I make it in the red basket, I now have to start back over at level 1 and start over again, tossing it into the blue baskets. Okay? So stay tuned, I'll demonstrate this activity in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, go. Level 2. Now I'm on level 4. The puck counts has to land inside of the bucket. Time is 35 seconds. So I'm going to try it, so I'll stay tuned. 3, 2, 1, go. Good. Last one. And game. 11 seconds. Now we're moving on to level 2. Now we got the zigzag pattern where the blues are going to zigzag. And then we still got to make in the bucket. We now have 4 different baskets we got to make it in. Again, blue, you go climb the ladder. Red, you slide down and you start over. Okay, so here we go. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Last one. Gold. One shot. Go. And time. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Jordan's up next. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, still climbing that ladder. Oh, on the last one already. Wow. 15 seconds. Well, really hope you enjoyed that game of Chutes and Ladders. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.